And close your eyes, relax the shoulders. Take a moment to check in with your body. Just notice how your body is feeling. And together we'll do a breathing technique. We'll inhale for the count of 2 and exhale for the count of 4. Breathing in and out through the nose. And if at any point the count doesn't match how you're feeling, you can of course change the count of the breath. So exhale fully through your nose. Inhale, 1, 2. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. 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 Inhale and exhale. Taking 2 more breaths like this, counting in your mind. And then slowly coming back to a regular breath, letting the breath just naturally flow through your body. And again, just checking in with yourself, with your body, noticing how you feel. Noticing how just 5 breaths can make a big difference to how you feel mentally or emotionally. And then if you'd like, you can move into a relaxation posture. So whether that's Shavasana or legs up against the wall, or of course you can stay seated with me. And I'll guide us through a relaxation. So whichever posture feels most comfortable for you. And then allow yourself to get settled with your eyes closed. Bringing your attention to your body. Bringing your attention to your feet. Just allow your toes, your feet to relax. Relaxing your ankles, legs, all the way up into the hips. Feeling the lower body heavy, grounded, sinking down into the floor. Relax your belly. Feel your belly soft. Releasing any tension from the lower back. Actively feeling yourself relaxing the muscles of the belly and the lower back. Releasing your spine, all the muscles in the back and the back of the shoulders. Relaxing your chest, feeling the chest moving gently with every breath in. The chest and heart softening with every breath out. Relaxing the tops of your shoulders as you feel your arms heavy, releasing down to the ground. Releasing your arms, relaxing your elbows, wrists, hands and fingers. Feeling your arms, your hands heavy and relaxed. And taking your attention to the back of your neck, feeling all the muscles in the back of your neck, the sides of your neck, your collarbone, your throat, feeling all the tension releasing out of the body as all the muscles in your neck start to soften and relax. Relax your jaw, all the muscles around your eyes, feeling your forehead relax, all the way up to the top of the head. And then allowing your mind to scan your body from the top of your head, slowly all the way down your body, relaxing every muscle, all the way down to the soles of the feet. Feeling your body grounded, soften, heavy. Feeling any tension, any mental stress, just being fully released from the body, sinking down into the ground. Noticing your breath. Without changing the breath, just noticing the breath as you inhale gently, the belly rises. And as you exhale, your body softens. With every gentle breath in, feel your mind clear. And with every soft breath out, the body relaxes more deeply. Keeping your mind focused on watching your breath come in and out of the body. Start to count your breath. So again, without changing the breath, just keeping your mind focused on counting your breath from 10 all the way down to 1. Anytime you feel your mind distracted, just reminding yourself that you have control of your mind, that you can control your mind to focus on your breath, knowing that with every count of your breath, you go more deeply into a state of relaxation. Just letting go of the count, but keeping your mind focused on the breath. As you inhale, visualize any color representing a state of calm and clarity. As you exhale, visualize your body releasing all tension and stress. So as you inhale, visualize that color of calm and clarity coming into your body, filling up your body and your mind with a sense of calm, of relaxation. And with every exhale, feel and see your body releasing tension, stress, worries. Inhale calm and clarity. As you exhale, release. Start to feel your body become lighter. Your body feeling lighter as you release any built up tension, any energy or thoughts that have been weighing you down, making you feel heavy. Start to notice that float away as your body becomes lighter, your mind becomes clearer, and you feel a deep sense of calm and clarity. Taking 5 more breaths here. Feeling your body more relaxed, soft and light with every exhale. And bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Start to deepen your breath. Inhale, feel the belly and chest rise. Exhale slowly with control. Just knowing that you can come back to this visualization, this feeling of inhaling calm and clarity, and exhaling worries or tension. You can come back to that at any point in the day or the week. If you're lying down, you might like to stay there. Wherever you're at, just rub your palms together again, generating some heat between the hands. And placing your hands over your eyes. Just feeling the warmth of your own body. Relaxing your shoulders. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And a slow cleansing breath out through your mouth. Bringing your hands to your heart again. Just allowing your hands to rest over your heart center. And taking a moment to thank yourself for finding the time, the energy and the space to allow your body to rest and release. And take one more deep breath in, all the way down into the belly, up to the top of the head. A slow breath out. You can gently blink your eyes open. Thank you so much for joining me today. And